What if I told you an election result may have been changed by a particle from space? Not a hacker, not a bug, not a conspiracy, a cosmic ray. And yes, this actually happened. The impossible election, 020 to 2 hours. On May 18, 2003, during a municipal election in Belgium, officials noticed something impossible. The voting machine reported more total votes than the number of people who had voted. That alone should never happen. A recount was ordered using backup magnetic cards. Every candidate's total matched the original count, except one. Her name was Maria Vindevogel. Her recount showed exactly 4,096 fewer votes than the computer originally reported. Remember that number, 4,096. Why 4,096 matters. 4,096 is not random. It is 212. In the binary language of computers, that means a single bit. Specifically, the 13th bit. One bit flipped from 0 to 1, and thousands of votes appeared. So what flipped the bit? Invisible rain. From space. 3 SEUs to 430. Space is not empty. It is violent. Supernovae and black holes fire high-energy particles across the universe. These particles are called cosmic rays. When they hit Earth's atmosphere, they collide with air molecules and explode into showers of secondary particles. Neutrons, muons, electrons. Most pass through us harmlessly, but in extremely rare cases, one strikes a computer chip. That tiny strike can flip a single transistor. This is called a single event upset, or an SEU. When Mario broke reality, in 2013, a speedrunner named Dota Teabag was playing Super Mario 64. During the tick-tock clock level, Mario suddenly teleported upward, an impossible move. The community offered a $1,000 bounty to anyone who could reproduce it. For 6 years, nobody could. Later, someone realized what likely happened. A cosmic ray flipped one specific bit in the first byte of Mario's height value in memory. To prove it, another developer wrote a script that flipped that exact bit. The impossible jump happened again. When it happens at 37,000 feet, 545 to 70 gigs. Now imagine this happening in an airplane. On October 7, 2008, Qantas Flight 72, an Airbus A330, suddenly pitched downward mid-air. It dropped 200 meters in 20 seconds. Then it did it again. 119 people were injured. Investigators traced the cause to a single event upset in the plane's Air Data Inertial Reference Unit, or EDIRU. A stray particle flipped a bit in the binary word for altitude. The computer misread altitude data as angle of attack data. It thought the plane was stalling, so it forced the aircraft into a dive to correct a problem that did not exist. How often does this really happen? 7 souths to 8 souths. This is not rare. According to IBM, for every 256 megabytes of RAM, you can expect about 1 bit flip per month. Most of the time, nothing noticeable happens. Sometimes it is a crash, sometimes corrupted data, and sometimes it is 4,096 votes. Our digital world feels precise, deterministic, controlled, but every system we rely on operates inside a chaotic universe. Sometimes the universe flips a bit. If you want the full story, diagrams, and deeper details, check the blog link below. And the next time something glitches for no reason, remember, it might not be a bug. It might be the cosmos.